Hi, what is your good name?
Humay.
Humay?
My name is Humay, yes.
Humay.
Yeah.
Humay is from Azerbaijan.
Azerbaijan, yes.
And
My
the-
father, Ahliman,
she bring her father to
for a walk.
For a walk.
Yes, exactly, yes.
yeah, they love Pakistani people, and I'm very happy to talk to you guys always when I
Yes,
met.
yes, I live in Germany and I have
Mashallah.
a very good friend from Pakistan in
Oh,
Germany.
very good, very
Yes.
good, very
Yes.
good.
I love Pakistani food.
I am living in Dubai,
Yeah,
and I came to visit Azerbaijan. I'm 18 years long been
in Dubai.
in Dubai.
Yeah.
I'm working there, and I
Greetings.
do YouTube videos also.
Yeah.
So I will put you on YouTube also.
I'm very glad. Greetings to all Pakistani people in the world, not just in Pakistan, but in
Thank
the
you.
world.
Thank you so much. Appreciate
you.
that. Your father want to say something for Pakistan in your language?
Ata nəsə demək istəyirsən, Pakistan xalqına salamlarını çatdırırsan.
Güzel insanlardı Pakistanlılar.
Yeah.
Güzel insanlardılar.
My father says Pakistani people are really beautiful people.
Thank you.
My father was
Zahmetkeş adamlardılar.
they are very hardworking people.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Thank you guys.
All kinds of money.
How much money I can put it in the card is enough for 7 days?
30 coins.
30 coins
Yes.
for one trip.
Yes.
So everywhere or only if I want to go more there?
When I paid 30 coins for access, you can use better.
If I go, where is Sahil? Sahil, okay. I want to go here.
Yes.
How much? 30?
30 coins.
30 copy, right? 30. Anywhere I can go 30 copies, right? What is your name?
My name is Sana.
Sorry?
Sana.
Sana. He's Sana from Azerbaijan. He paid for me the metro because my card, I took the card and I forget to put the money. And he's the one, he paid my trip to mall. I'm going to the mall. So he's the one who paid. And I appreciate for that. It's a memorable thing for me here. And they are friends here. What is your name?
My name is Mir Yusuf.
Mirius. So thanks for them again.